Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about a new capability that we have introduced with the recent version of TIBCO Control Plane 1.10.0. A capability that I'm talking about is BW5 containers on Kubernetes data plane. Yes, with this version, you now have the capability of deploying your long existing BW5 application directly to containers. It completely changes the experience of how you set up the BW5 runtime, how you manage your applications, monitor your applications, and how you set up, how you can automate your CICD pipeline for BW5 applications. All you need to do is provision a BW5 containers capability. You'll see a preview tag over here, which means that we are calling it preview for now, as we are continuously enhancing this capability with every month release. And we are also looking forward to gather as much feedback as possible to further incorporate it. Once you have provisioned the capability, you need to click on this provision BW5 containers and plugins to provision all the versions that you want from here and all the adapters and plugins that you would want. It is showing lesser plugins as I have most of them already provisioned in my data plane. Let me show you from where you can see already provisioned plugins and versions. You can click on the see all. It will show you all the adapters and plugins and BW5 version that has been provisioned so far. You can also see what are the the supplement required for any adapters. So you can click on upload now to further upload that supplement. You can also click on check for new version to see if there is a newer version available for any of the software or plugin. Once you have set up the runtime, you can see that how easy it is instead of downloading and installing several components of your BW5 runtime environment. Once you have done that, next step is to upload the EAR. Let me upload an EAR of BW5. One thing that I would like to highlight over here is there is no requirement of making any changes to your existing EAR. You do not even need to open the project in Designer or Studio. You can simply take your EAR, which is deployed in 5.14.0, 14.1, or any other BW5 supported version, upload it over here, and you can easily deploy it to the containers platform. Let me create this application build. Once done, you'll have two options to deploy the application, either via BW5 Provisioner Kubernetes native API or Helm charts, where you can have your customized Helm charts connected to your TIBCO control plane. Upon clicking on, let me make a change to the name as I already have an application existing. You can click on next if you want to make any changes to YAML. You can do that, or you can do that before scaling up your application as well. Once you deploy your application, let me show you how you can monitor and manage your BW5 application running in container. Let me search for my application. So I have this application running. You can see that this is managed by Helm. This is the first time that you will be able to see the process diagram as well for your BW5 application in your management and administration component. You'll be able to see endpoints. If you want to configure the visibility of your endpoint, you can do that by using these toggle buttons from public to private. Under monitoring tab, you'll be able to see instrumentation data. You'll be able to see CPU and memory trend for your application container running this application with time, date, range filters, and execution graph of success and failures. Environment controls tabs allow you to manage and view the massive global variable component of BW5. You can easily update them from here and click on push updates to make changes. Under engine variables, you can make changes to your OpenTelemetry configuration. Resource configuration allows you to make changes to the resource allocation for the specific container. By default, only 1 GB memory limit has been set up for BW5 containers application. You'll also be able to see logs and traces for your application if your OpenTelemetry configuration is available and OpenTelemetry is configured. You'll be able to see under one page the entire details of tracing and span configuration. In Helm configuration, you'll be able to see the YAML values of your existing deployment. If you want to make any changes, you can do that. If you want to roll back to a previous revision, you can do that by clicking on rollback over here. You can also enable auto scaling for your BW5 application So it can be auto scaled up, auto scaled down based on the target CPU or memory utilization. Another change of experience is you can very easily upgrade this application by clicking on upgrade application. Let's say you do not want to make any changes to the EAR, simply click on next, select a newer version if provision, and you can simply upgrade the application from here itself. This was about management and monitoring your application. One of the other enhancement that you will have with this capability is how to automate everything via your CICD. Everything that I was showcasing as functionality from UI, you will have that available under as APIs under this API docs functionality. So whether it is to list application, create application build, deploying your application by any of the supported deployment methods, or provisioning newer plugins, new software, uploading supplements, basically each and every functionality that is available from UI will be available via API. So you can automate everything via your CI/CD pipeline. I'm ending this video by again reiterating there is no reconfiguration or refactoring required to your existing BW5 EARs. Simply take your BW5 EAR running on a supported BW5 version and deploy it in containers. And please reach out to us in case of any queries or if you have any feedback. Thank you.